So for the past couple of weeks, I've been using the Eureka J15 Evo Ultra as my main robot vacuum and mop. And Eureka has taken the time to add some much needed additional features that I wasn't even aware that I needed. And I think you would agree too. Keep in mind, with all of my tests, I went with the deepest cleaning option available. At least 2 passes and in crisscross pattern. One direction on the first pass and another direction on the second. First, let's talk about its advanced edge cleaning with Scrub Extend. The mops on the J15 Evo Ultra extend out, getting closer and even cleaning the baseboards of your home for a deeper, fuller clean. This works great when around furniture because things like chairs and sofas, it's able to get closer to the corners of the legs. Same with the kitchen. Those corners under the counters can be tough to get to because of the design of the robot. But with the mops extending out, you're getting a deeper clean. What makes the cleaning of the J15 Evo Ultra even more effective is that it features even more powerful and consistent downward pressure. So not only does it extend, but it presses down harder to deal with tough stains. Here's an example of some dried up ketchup. With its mops rotating at 200 RPM and that continuous downward pressure, you're going to see a more efficient clean compared to regular robot mops. And the results speak for themselves. How about coffee spills? Yep, same thing. That 200 RPM and downward pressure takes care of it. Now, you might be wondering, well, I'm glad it does a great job of cleaning that mess, but couldn't that mess on the mops track onto my carpet? Well, no worries. You choose if you want the carpets handled first, but the mops and the vacuum auto lift when detecting carpets, so that's awesome if for some reason you're a little worried. Next, the J15 Evo Ultra has boosted suction up to 22,000 pascals, surpassing traditional canister vacuums. It utilizes an aluminum fan structure for better heat dissipation that maximizes motor performance. That means it's providing deep vacuuming for carpets with a household debris removal rate of 99%. Again, you can see after 2 passes, it's really cleaned my carpet thoroughly. Even with cereal spills, watch how it effortlessly picks it up, leaving a clean floor. Another plus, after picking up all that debris, which includes the dirt, hair, or food, notice how its anti-tangle with Dragon Claw side brush doesn't get tangled. This is huge, which is also the same for the brush. Last, you have the all-in-one base station. It self-washes, self-dries, and even self-empties. It features 2 tanks, one for clean water and the other to catch dirty water. There's also a 3-liter large capacity dust bag. We're talking about 75 days of maintenance-free capability when it comes to the dust bag, so that's awesome. The base station does a solid job of removing all the debris from the robot so it's not sitting there. It also cleans and dries the mops after every clean as well. There's also app support where you can customize your robot and set schedules that matches the ideal usage for your space. All right, my final thoughts. The Eureka J15 Evo Ultra is brilliant with its Scrub Extend capability, app support, and its aesthetic pleasing base station. With powerful suction, downward pressure, the J15 Evo Ultra may have the must-needed features you've been looking for. All right, really hope this video helped you out. Take care, bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. Hey guys, do me a favor, if you like this video, leave a like. If you love it, subscribe, and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. I'll see you next one. Take care.